Understanding the accounting worksheet.
An accounting worksheet is a tool used to ensure that the financial statements prepared by a business at the end of an accounting period are accurate and do not contain any errors. An accounting worksheet's main purpose is to ensure that the bookkeeper does not forget to make any required adjustments when drawing up a firm's income statement and balance sheet. When preparing a worksheet, you first need the title head of the company name and indicate the year or month ended. The account title should always be in order of liquidity.
After filling out the account title column, we can move on to the unadjusted trial balance. This trial balance is usually given to you at the beginning of the problem, and what you want to do is fill out the debit and credit side for each of the accounts given. These accounts contain asset, liability, revenue, and expense accounts that are used with the company within that given fiscal year. And before you can move on, you want to make sure that the debits and credits are equal. The next step in filling out a worksheet is the adjustments column. Adjustments are usually given to you in the problem, typically in the form of journal entries, so you will most likely need to identify which accounts are being affected by the journal entry. You should also remember that each journal entry has a debit and a credit, which should balance out. So at the end of the adjustment column, both the debit side should and the credit side should be equal.
After calculating and entering the adjustments of our accounts, the ending balance for each account is then recorded to the adjusted trial balance. In the adjusted trial balance is where we will total all of our accounts to prove that there is an equality between the total of the debit balance and credit balance of the general ledger. This is an important step in the adjustment process to report our final financial statements. If there is no equality in the column totals of the adjusted trial balance, the financial statement columns will not equal and will be incorrect.
This worksheet has an adjusting trial balance and an income statement to complete the worksheet. An income statement shows the financial performance of a business for a specific time period. It presents the revenue and expenses to result net income and net loss in a specific amount of time. First, the balance sheet and income statement are both important financial statements that detail the financial accounting of a company. The balance sheet details the company's assets and liabilities at a certain period of time, while the income statement details income and expenses over a period of time, usually 1 year. Next on the balance sheet, we have cash, accounts payable, prepaid rent, equipment, accumulated depreciation, which is a contra asset, which is a normal credit balance. Next on the credit column, we have liabilities and owner's equity. Notes payable, accounts payable, interest payable, liabilities, all recorded under credit.